Cardano cost actually commonly remained at $0.3954 a coin, or so they certainly thought. Today's reach, $0.3931, $0.4059, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Yesterday's nearby, $0.4036. The change, 0.0082 to 2.03%, in an extremely huge way. Converse rate, United States dollars to ADA. Or so they explicitly generally thought in a significant manner. Cardano value expectation for later, week and month incredibly. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Least cost $0.380, most extreme $0.438, and by the day's end, cost $0.409 a coin. ADA United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, February 23. Certainly least cost $0.373. Greatest $0.429, and by the day's end, cost $0.401 a coin, or so they thought. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, February 24. Genuinely least cost $0.375, kind of most extreme $0.431, and by the day's end, cost $0.403 a coin. ADA United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. Least cost $0.386, beautiful greatest $0.444, and by the day's end, cost $0.415 a coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $0.369, most certainly greatest $0.425, and by the day's end, cost $0.397 a coin, which is very huge, really in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1, least cost $0.393, most extreme $0.453, and by the day's end, cost $0.423 a coin. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, least cost $0.424, lovely greatest $0.488, and toward the day's end, cost $0.456 a coin, which is very critical. ADA United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 3, least cost $0.416, by and large greatest $0.478, and by the day's end, cost $0.447 a coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, least cost $0.412, exceptionally greatest $0.474, and by the day's end, cost $0.443 a coin, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days ADA United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7, especially beautiful least cost $0.421, most extreme $0.485, and by the day's end, cost $0.453 a coin in an in every practical sense enormous way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, least cost $0.421, lovely greatest $0.485, and by the day's end, cost $0.453 a coin. ADA United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 9, in every way that really matters, least cost $0.383, most extreme $0.441, and by the day's end, cost $0.412 a coin. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, exceptionally least cost $0.377, genuinely greatest $0.433, and toward the day's end, cost $0.405 a coin, in an especially significant manner. ADA United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 13, kind of least cost $0.395, sort of greatest $0.455, and by the day's end, cost $0.425 a coin in an unpretentious manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, fundamentally really least cost $0.379, greatest $0.435, and toward the day's end, cost $0.407 a coin, or so they thought. ADA United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 15, least cost $0.382, fundamentally greatest $0.440, and by the day's end, cost $0.411 a coin. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 16. Truly least cost $0.376. Greatest $0.432, and by the day's end, cost $0.404 a coin, which is very huge, which for the most part is very critical. ADA to United States dollars forecasts on Friday. Walk 17. Least cost $0.376. Most extreme $0.432, and by the day's end, cost $0.404 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20. Actually especially least cost $0.373. Lovely greatest $0.429, and toward the day's end, cost $0.401 a coin. In about a month ADA to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 21. Truly least cost $0.390. Greatest $0.448, and by the day's end, cost $0.419 a coin, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22. Essentially least cost $0.406. Greatest $0.468, and toward the day's end, cost $0.437 a coin. ADA to United States dollars expectations on Thursday. Walk 23. For the most part least cost $0.381. Sort of greatest $0.439, and by the day's end, cost $0.410 a coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. United States dollars to ADA today, which is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ADA swapping scale remained at 2.5291 coins per $1, which most certainly is very critical. Today's reach, 2.4637 2.5439, incredibly. Yesterday's nearby, 2.4777, the change, plus 0.0514, plus 2.07%. Which is very huge. United States dollars to ADA estimate for later week and month. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion scale 2.445 coins, least 2.283, and reasonably essentially most extreme 2.632, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to ADA expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale 2.494 coins in every practical sense, kind of least 2.331, and extremely greatest 2.681. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, February 24. By the day's end swapping scale 2.481 coins in every way that really matters, least 2.320, and greatest 2.667. United States dollars to ADA forecasts on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion scale 2.410 coins, beautiful sort of least 2.252, and most extreme 2.591 in a significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday, February 28. By the day